Namaste children, welcome to today's mathematics class. Today we are going to discuss about a special triangle named as right angled triangle and a famous property related to a right angled triangle named as under a famous mathematician and a philosopher named as Pythagoras, and that property is known as Pythagoras property. Sorry. So what we are going to study today, what is a right angled triangle and what is Pythagoras property, where we use this Pythagoras property, that is application of Pythagoras property we will discuss. So what we studied in class, in the previous class, two different special triangles we studied, that is equilateral triangle and what it is isosceles triangle. What is equilateral triangle, what is isosceles triangle, and what are the properties of those two triangles we studied in the last class. That is a triangle in which all the sides are equal in length or of same in length, we call the triangle is known as equilateral triangle. In an equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal and all angles are equal. Each angle is 60 degrees. Similarly, isosceles triangle, a triangle in which any two sides are equal, then the triangle is known as isosceles triangle. And in isosceles triangle, two sides are equal and the angles opposite to equal sides are also equal in measure. That is, the two angles on the base are equal, which are known as base angles are equal. And we studied two more properties, that is, sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. And one more property, it is the difference of lengths of any two sides of a triangle is always less than the third side, and its applications we studied in the previous class. Now we are going to study what is a right angled triangle. So what is a right angle? What do you mean by right angle? Here it is. What do you mean by right angle here? Right angles means we have studied an angle whose measure is 90 degrees. What is a right angled triangle? Here it is the right angled triangle, an angle whose measure is 90 degrees. An angle whose measure is 90 degrees is known as a right angle. An angle whose measure is 90 degrees, such angle is known as right angle. Then what is a right angled triangle? A triangle in which one angle is a triangle in which one angle is a right angle. One angle is a right angle, that is 90 degrees. That is 90 degrees is known as a right triangle. Is known as a right triangle. Is known as a right triangle. So a triangle in which one angle is a right angle is, that is 90 degrees, is known as a right triangle or right angled triangle. So the figure for right angled triangle is like this, a simple figure. Let triangle ABC. Here, triangle ABC is a right angled triangle and this angle is 90 degrees, that is angle B is equals to 90 degrees. Angle B is equals to 90 degrees. You can represent one more triangle like this. So this is 90 degrees, this is also 90 degrees. You can take this as X, Y and Z. Triangle XYZ in which angle X is equals to 90 degrees. What about the other two angles, that is angle A and angle C in triangle ABC, angle Z and angle Y in triangle ABC? They are acute angles and their measure is equals to 90 degrees. As we studied, sum of three angles of the triangle is equals to 180 degrees. This is 90 degrees means definitely the remaining two angles will be 180 minus 90, that is 90 degrees. Now that is the acute angles. Now, what we call this side, which is the longer side? Here three sides are there. Which is the longest side? If we observe in this figure, in the triangle ABC, AC is the longest side. And if we observe in triangle XYZ, YZ, this is the longest side. what we call the longest side of right angle triangle, we call that side is known as hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. We call this side as hypotenuse. Similarly here, YZ is the hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is the longest side of the right angle triangle. Longest side of the right angled triangle. Now, how this longest side is related to the 90 degrees angle, that is right angle? How it is related? That is opposite or not? The side AC is opposite to angle B. Similarly, the side YZ is opposite to angle X. It means that the opposite side to the right angle is known as hypotenuse. The side which is opposite to right angle is also known as hypotenuse. So now what is hypotenuse? Definition we will study here. Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the longest side. The longest side of the right triangle. Longest side of the right triangle is known as hypotenuse. The longest side of the right triangle is known as hypotenuse, or we can also write the side opposite to right angle is known as hypotenuse. So one side we call it as hypotenuse. What about the other two sides, that is AB and AC? These two are perpendicular to each other. AB is perpendicular to BC. These two sides are known as perpendicular sides. These two sides are known as perpendicular sides, or they are also known as legs of the right triangle. They are also known as legs of the right triangle. AB and BC are perpendicular. Here XY and XZ are the perpendicular sides, and they are known as legs of the right triangle. So there is a property related to this right triangle which is given by a famous mathematician named as Pythagoras, and that property is known as Pythagoras Property. He gave a relationship, he identified a relationship between, that is, the lengths of the three sides of the right triangle. The lengths of the three sides of the right triangle, that relationship is known as Pythagoras Property or Pythagoras Theorem. Now we will discuss what is Pythagoras Property and what is its application. So what is right angled triangle? A triangle in which one angle is a right angle or 90 degrees. It is known as a right triangle. The longest side of the right triangle is known as hypotenuse. Is it clear, children? What is hypotenuse? What is right angle triangle? What we call other two sides of the right triangle? Yes, we'll continue this Pythagoras property. Now we will discuss Pythagoras property. Pythagoras property is the relationship between the sides of the right angle triangle. The sides of the right angle triangle. What is the relation between the three sides of the right angle triangle? And it is given by a famous mathematician Pythagoras. What it is, we will see here. As I told, hypotenuse. He said that the square of the hypotenuse, square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of other two sides. Here the square of the hypotenuse means what? Hypotenuse is one side, that is the length of the square of hypotenuse is equals to sum of the squares of lengths of other two sides. This property is known as Pythagoras property, and its proof we will study in class 10. You see here, let you take a right angled triangle ABC, right angle at B, ABC, right angle at B. So this sign represents what it is, perpendicular, and it is 90 degrees. Here hypotenuse is what it is, AC. AC is what it is, hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. And what are AB and BC? AB and BC are what? Other two sides. Other two sides. So what is the statement states is the square of the hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse, that is we can write in the statement, it is hypotenuse square is equals to hypotenuse square is equals to sum of squares of other two sides is equals to sum of squares of other two sides. Other two sides. That is, here hypotenuse is what it is, AC. Therefore, AC square is equals to sum means addition. Addition of what? Squares of other two sides. What are the other two sides? AB and BC. Square of AB it is AB square, and square of BC it is BC square. That is, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square, where AB and BC are what? Other two sides, that is perpendicular sides of right triangle ABC. AC is the hypotenuse. If I take one more triangle, that is a triangle here, if I take a triangle ABC only, but right angle at A, B, C. Where is right angle? Here it is at A. Now which is the hypotenuse? Here it is BC is the hypotenuse. BC is the hypotenuse. Therefore, Pythagoras theorem statement, how can we write it? For this triangle it is hypotenuse means it is BC. BC square is equals to sum of squares of other two sides means it is AB square plus AC square. If you see both the triangles, the right angle is there at different positions. In the first triangle, right angle is there at B, vertex B, and in the second triangle, triangle ABC only, this is also, and this is also triangle ABC, but we have right angle at A. That is the difference. So what is the statement of Pythagoras property? The square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. That is, in triangle ABC, AC is the hypotenuse, AB and BC are other two sides. Therefore, hypotenuse square is equals to sum of squares of other two sides. That is, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. If we consider triangle ABC in which angle A is 90 degrees, then BC is the hypotenuse, which is BC square is equals to AB square plus AC square. AB square plus AC square. So this this relationship, it is a relationship between the hypotenuse and other two sides. That statement it is, that property is Pythagoras property. Its proof we will study in class 10th. So here and there we will use in other classes also, not only in mathematics, even we use in physics also this property. What it states that the square of the hypotenuse is equals to sum of the squares of other two sides. This is especially only for right triangle. We can mention here it is in a right triangle, in a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equals to sum of the squares of other two sides. Now we will study its application, that is how to find the length of the hypotenuse when the two sides were given, that is two legs and the two perpendicular sides are given, and how to find the length of AB when AC and BC are given, that is out of the three sides, two sides are given, how to find the third side. We will discuss with some examples. Is it clear, children? Its proof we will study in class 10. Now we will discuss one example of the application of Pythagoras property. Find the unknown length x. Find the unknown length x in the following figures. So you are given two triangles. What type of triangles? The right angled triangles. How do you know they are right angled triangles? Here right angle, that is a perpendicularity sign is there, that is it represents 90 degrees. So if it is 90 degrees, which is the hypotenuse? Length of x. In this triangle, which is the hypotenuse? It is x. What are the other two sides? 15 centimeters and here it is 8 centimeters, or 15 units and 8 units. Here it is 4 units and 3 units. How to find x value? So first question it is, so which is the hypotenuse? By using the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to hypotenuse square is equals to sum of squares of other two sides. Squares of other two sides. Other two sides. What it is? It is from Pythagoras theorem. This is Pythagoras property. Pythagoras property. Using Pythagoras property, we are finding. Here hypotenuse is equals to what? X. Hypotenuse square means it is x square, that is equals to sum of squares of other two sides. What are the other two sides? 4 and 3. Square means 4 square plus 3 square. That is 4 square is equals to 4 into 4, 16, plus 3 square means 3 into 3, 9. 16 plus 9 is equals to 25. X square is equals to what? 25. But we have to find x. So x is equals to, find the prime factorization of 25. So 25 prime factorization, it is 5 into 5 will get. 5 5s are 25. That is x square is equals to 5 square. Here powers are same. Therefore x is equals to what? 5. That is powers are same, then bases also will be equal. X square is equals to 5 square means here two squares are there. That is exponents, that is powers. Therefore the bases also will be equal. That is x is equals to 5. Similarly, the second question here it is. Here hypotenuse is equals to what? X. X square is equals to squares of other two sides, 8 and 15. That is 8 square plus 15 square. 8 square, 8 into 8, it is 64, plus 15 square means 15 into 15. We will get 15 into 15 is equals to 225. 225. Now add these two. What we get? 225 plus 6, 64. 5 plus 4, 9. 2 plus 6, 8. And 2. How much we got? 289. And again, find the prime factorization of 289. So it will be divisible by only with 17. 17s are 289 we will get. That is 17 ones are 17. 28 minus 17, 11. 11 with 9, 119. 17 sevens are 119. 17 is a prime number. Therefore x square is equals to 289 can be written as 17 square. Again here bases are equal. Therefore x is equals to what? 17. That is the hypotenuse is equals to 17. X is equal to 17. As I told, hypotenuse will be the longest side. 8, 15 and it is 17. 17 is the longest. Here also 4, 3 and x we got 5. 5 will be the biggest than the 4 and 3. Is it clear? Like this we will find the unknown x value, that is hypotenuse, by using the Pythagoras property. With this knowledge we will continue exercise number, that is the next exercise is there that we will discuss here. Now we will discuss exercise number 6.5. The first question. PQR is a triangle right angled at P, means it is a right angled triangle or simply right angle at P. If PQ is equals to 10 centimeters and PR is equals to 24 centimeters, find QR. So you are given one right angle triangle and two sides are given. Find the third side. So what are the two sides? First you draw a right angle triangle, rough diagram, you draw a right angle triangle like this. And where is right angle? Right angle at P. Therefore locate this as P. Then it is Q and it is R. Now triangle PQR. PQR is a triangle right angle at P. And PQ is equals to 10 centimeters. So this is 10 centimeters. PR is equals to 24 centimeters. And we have to find QR. This is QR is how much we have to find out. So QR is equals to what? There here it is hypotenuse. QR is the hypotenuse. Square of the hypotenuse is equals to sum of the squares of other two sides using the Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle PQR, angle P is equals to 90 degrees and PQ is equals to 10 centimeters. PR is equals to 24 centimeters. That is given data. Write the given data. You are given one triangle, that is PQR, and angle P is equals to 90 degrees. The two sides PQ is 10 centimeters and PR is 24 centimeters. What we have to find? QR is equals to how much? So in this triangle, angle P is equals to 90 degrees. So it is a right angle triangle. Applying a Pythagoras theorem by Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras property or theorem property. What it states that square of the hypotenuse, that is QR square is equals to sum of the squares of other two sides, that is PQ square plus PR square. PQ square plus PR square. QR we have to find, we don't know. Let it is X. We are taking this as X. We don't know, that's why we are taking X. Now PQ is equals to what? 10 centimeters. PQ square means it is 10 square plus PR is equals to 24. Therefore PR square means it is 24 square. 10 square means what? 10 square means it is 10 into 10. 10 tens are 100. That is 100 plus 24 square. 24 square means it is 24 into 24. This is a rough work you can do. Rough work. So rough work. Multiply 24 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. That is 6. 9 plus 8 17. 4 plus 1 5. What we got is 576. Now 100 plus 576 is equals to what? 676 we got. This is X square. QR is equals to X. QR square is equals to X square. Now X square is equals to 676. Write X plus this in the form of exponents with the square 2. So that we can do by using what? Prime factorization. Find the prime factorization of 676. It is an even number. It is divisible by 2. That is 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 6 0. Bring 7. 2 3s are 6. 7 minus 6 it is 1. Bring 6 16. 2 8s are 16. 16 minus 16 it is 0. Now we got here it is what? 8 is there in the units place. So it is divisible by 2. Divide with 2. 2 1s are 2. 3 minus 2 it is 1. Bring 3. 13. 2 6 are 12. 13 minus 12 it is 1. Bring 8. 18. 2 9s are 18. Next you check it. It is divisible by what prime number? So 9 is there in the units place. It is not divisible by 2. So you check for 3. What is the divisible rule for 3? 1 add all the digits. 1 plus 6 7. 7 plus 9 it is 16 and it is not divisible by 3. 5 unit space you have 9 is there. It is not divisible by 5. Next prime number it is 7. With the 7 2s are 14. 16 minus 14 it is 2. With 9 29. 7 4s are 28. 1 we get remainder. It is not divisible by 7. Next prime number 11. It is not divisible. Next prime number 13. You check it, that is divisible by 13 or not. 13 ones are 13. 16 minus 13 it is 3. Bring 9. 39. 13 3s are 39. We got what? 13 a prime number. Now what it is? 676 can be written as what? 2 into 13 into 13. So 2 into 2 it is 2 square into 13 into 13 it is 13 square. By applying the laws of exponents a square into b square, it is here powers are same, then 2 into 13 square will get, that is 26 square will get. So therefore 676 what we can write? X square is equals to 2 into 13 square. That is x is equals to what? 2 into 13, that is equals to 2 into 13, 13 twos are 26. Therefore, QR is equals to 26 centimeters. 26 centimeters we have to find. So prime factorization we are using. We have to find the prime factorization. After finding the prime factorization, we will get prime factors paired form. 2 into 2 one pair, 13 into 13 one pair. So when we are finding this, we can write 2 into 2 it as 2 square into 13 into 13 it as 13 square. Express them in the powers of 2, that is squares. Then you identify the base. When powers are same, exponents that is exponents are same or powers are same, then the bases also will be equal. That is QR will be 26 centimeters. Like this, we will find the unknown length, that is QR. We will discuss one more sum. Is it clear, children? Here we applied what property? It is Pythagoras property. Now we will discuss the second sum from exercise number 6.5. ABC is a triangle right angled at C. ABC is a triangle right angled at C. If AB is equals to 25 centimeters and AC is equals to 7 centimeters, find BC. Find BC. Two sides are given. So again you are given one right angled triangle. Let that right angled triangle as ABC and right angled at C. Therefore this is C. Right angled at C. So this side will be C. Then A, B, C. A, B, C is a triangle and right angled at C. And it is given AB is equals to 25 centimeters. AC is equals to 7 centimeters. Find BC. This we have to find. We don't know. Let you take this as what? X centimeters. X we have to find, that is unknown value. X we have to find by using the Pythagoras property. How do we find here? So in triangle, what is given data? In triangle ABC, angle C is equals to 90 degrees and AB is equals to 25 centimeters. AC is equals to 7 centimeters. What we have to find? Find BC. BC is equals to how much? We don't know, that's why we have taken it as what? X. In the previous sum, the two perpendicular sides are given and they are asking you to find the hypotenuse. Now, hypotenuse is given and one perpendicular side is given. How to find the other perpendicular side using that property? Now, by Pythagoras property, by Pythagoras property, which is the hypotenuse, there it is AB, that is square of the hypotenuse. Pythagoras property states that square of the hypotenuse is equals to sum of the squares of other two sides. Here hypotenuse is AB, that is AB square is equals to sum of the squares of other two sides. What are the other two sides? BC and AC. That is AC square plus BC square. AC square plus BC square. Now substitute those values. AB is equals to how much? 25. Therefore AB square means it is 25 square. AC is equals to 7. AC square means it is 7 square plus BC square. Plus BC square. Now simplify. 25 into 25, rough work. Find this rough work. 25 into 25, find the value. That is equals to 5 into 5, 25. 5 twos are 10 plus 2 it is 12. 2 5s are 10, 2 twos are 4 plus 1 it is 5, 50. Therefore it is 5, 2 plus 0, 2, 1 plus 5 it is 6. How much will get 25 square? It is 625. That is equals to 7 square means 7 into 7, 7 sevens are 49 plus BC square. BC is equals to what you have taken it as what? X. Therefore it is X square. Now 49 is there, you transpose to the other side, as here it is adding. Therefore what it will do? It subtracts by transposing, by changing to other side. 625 minus 49 is equals to X square. How much will get 629 minus 49? 625 minus 49. How much will get? Go for borrowing. Then it will become 15. 15 minus 9, 6. What will be there? Here it is 1. Again go for borrowing. 11. 11 plus 4 it is 11 minus 4 it is 7. Then what is left here? It is 5. 576 will get. So it is 576 is equals to x square. Here base is x and square is there 2. Power is there 2. Convert this 576 with the power 2. That is done by using prime factorization. So again find the prime factorization of 576. 6 is there in the units place. Therefore we will get it is divisible by 2. Divided with 2. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 1. Bring 7. 17. 2 8s are 16. 17 minus 16 1. Bring 6. It is 16. 2 8s are 16. Then with the 2 again 8 is there. It is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8 and 2 4s are 8. So again 4 is there. It is divisible by 2. 2 7s are 14. 2 2s are 4. Again we have 2 is there in the units place. So it is divisible by 2. So 2 3s are 6. 7 minus 6 1. Bring to 12. 2 3s are 6. That is 12 minus 12 it is 0. Units place we have 6 is there. Therefore it is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2. 3 minus 2 it is 1. Bring 6, it is 16. 2 8s are 16. Then with the 2 9s are 18. Then 9, 3 3s are 9. So the last value what we got here is 3, which is a prime number. Now write this 576. What we can write? 2 into 576 can be written as 576 can be written as what? 2 into 2. How many 2s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3's 3 into 3, that is equals to x square. Write all pairs. That is 2 into 2. So 2 square into this is 2 into 2. 2 square into 2 into 2. 2 square into 3 into 3. 3 square. That is equals to x square. Now here if you observe, all the powers are same, so we will multiply what it is, the bases, a power m into b power m. Formula we have a power m into b power m. When the bases are different and powers are same, we will multiply the bases a into b whole power m. So that loss of exponents here. Therefore what we get it is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 whole square is equals to x square. That is 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 3 8 3s are 24. That is 24 square is equals to x square. Now if you observe here the base is 24, exponent is 2. Here the base is x, exponent is 2. Exponents are same, that is powers are same. Therefore the bases also will be equal. Therefore x is equals to 24. What is x? It is BC. Hence we can write, I am writing the final result here. I am writing the final result. Therefore BC is equals to 24 centimeters. So like this we will find the unknown length of the right angle triangle when two lengths are given. When two sides are given, we will find the third side. If you want to find AC when BC is given, we will follow the same trend. Apply the Pythagoras theorem and simplify, we will get a number. To that number, find the prime factorization. From the prime factorization, identify the pair of factors. Express that in the form of pairs with the powers as 2. Then you multiply all the bases, we will get the unknown length of the given side. Is it clear, children, how to find? Yes? I hope you understand today's concept, that is right angle triangle and Pythagoras theorem, its applications. And today's homework is exercise number 6.5, question number 3. Page number 129 and 130. Try these. One question is there in that second bit, fourth bit, fifth bit and sixth bit. This is your homework. Complete the given homework. Thank you very much.